Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view messages on your PS5 and then also how to send them to a friend or a different person. So if you got a message, press the PlayStation button and you can open up the quick menu and then you can go on down to notification. If it's a new message, it should show up under here. So if someone added me to their friends list or something, or they sent me a message, we should be able to find it under here. Now if it's not showing up under here, we want to go on over to Game Base and then scroll on down to the messages right here, and then you can see the messages everyone sent. So this person sent me google.com, and then I'm going to leave a thumbs up. So you can go to websites if you just type it in like that. So if I click on this, it should bring me to google.com. Looks like it doesn't work, so you have to type in www.google.com or something like that. But you can find your messages that people are sending you right there, and then at the top you can go to new message. You can search for a person to send a message to. You can choose a friend under here, or you can go on over to play together. So maybe I choose this person. I can go to OK, and then I can start a party chat with the person. I can invite them to the game. I can view who's in the party chat here. So it's me and this person. And then I go to more. I can add them as a favorite, share a message, leave group. Now, to actually have a message group started, you do need to send a message first. It says send a message to start a party. Let's just go to hi. Now all these options do exist. So let's send this. And then it looks like the person has some sort of privacy settings on, so we can't send it over. But we also have message options right here where we can quick message, we can send a voice message, we can send a screenshot, video clip, or a sticker. So you can look through all these different stickers, see if any of them are kind of cool. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.